My name is Fire Augustin. I'm from the northwest region of Cameroon. I'm standing here to demonstrate how we do what type of building. First of all, we like to build close to nature. We want to stay close to nature. We build our houses in our village using sun-dried blocks. I will explain how we process the sun-dried blocks.
Yeah, the process is different than here, where we saw them using a machine to push down. But how do you make them?
In my village, in the northwest province of Cameroon,
In Bamenda.
When we prepare the ground, precisely the red ground, the red soil.
It's red soil.
It's good. It's very good for that.
Like this soil?
Yeah, like this soil.
Like this soil.
Yeah,
red.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, when we dig the red soil now, we pour some water into it. Then you go into the red soil with 2 feet. And you press the ground. You mix it. When it is some sort of sticky, it becomes sticky. You now remove it after you must have prepared a foam. The foam with the plank. You remove it, then you put it into the foam.
The wood form.
The wooden form. And before you put the wet ground into a wood form, you have to pour some water. You have to put the wooden form into water so that the ground can slide out of it. Now you put it now when it is full. Then you remove it, and the block will start. As you are making and going 2-3 days, you start taking up the blocks and standing it
on end. So you let them dry for 2-3 days and standing them on end to dry further.
Exactly.
I see.
So when it gets dry like that, after everything now you now start building. You start building. You put your foundation using the local stones.
Stones.
You use the stones for your foundation. Then now you take you mix another mud. That one now is more watery. It is semi-liquid, semi-solid. It's more watery. You take the mud now. After you must have prepared the stones. You take the mud, you pour on top of the stone. Then you take the blocks and you place it on top. You put two blocks so that the wall should be very thick.
So you make the wall thick, 2 blocks thick, like this. Here in Yaoundé, you're doing walls only 1 block thick. And there you do 2 blocks, and you lay them like this, 2, then 1,
2,
and 1, just like this. And the next course will start with 1, and then 2.
Yeah.
So
that's how we do it. So that the thickness of the house will be really
substantial. Okay.
So you build like that until you get to a certain level, 15 coats or 16 or 17, depending on the height of the house. Then you divide the rooms. You put the rafters and you zinc the house. One great advantage is that the house is very cool. When you do like that, it is very cool and very comfortable to stay inside. So when you build like that, even if you don't zinc the house, if you don't put the roof immediately, the house can withstand sun and rain.
Yes.
For a long time.
And how old are some of the houses in Bamenda?
More than 100 years old.
More than 100 years old. And see, no cement. But what's the problem?
No cement.
Why we're doing this test is that we are seeing there's a problem with all the cement stucco in this area. What's happening?
The good thing is that from the foundation right to the top, you don't use cement.
Yeah.
No cement.
Not there. But
use the ground.
But in Yaoundé,
they use
cement. And what's happening with the plaster?
It falls off very easily.
Falls off, right?
Immediately rain touches it.
Yes, the rain touches it, falls off, because the bricks swell. They suck the water and swell.
Exactly.
So in Bamenda, you're using even just the earth as the mortar. And then the plaster. What are you using?
When you want to use it now, when you must have finished the house, you want to use the sand and the cement to plaster. If you want to use it, you can use it. It will not fall off, even if rain touches. If you want to use the same mud again to plaster,
you
can still
use it. But it will come off eventually, but wear down, wear away maybe. You had said also to me earlier that you use straw sometimes.
Yes, when you don't have red ground.
When you don't have
we
red.
have a mixture of black and red ground. You use a straw so that it should be very resistant.
It pulls. It makes
black soil is not is somehow loose.
The blacker soil, yeah. If it's not
But
clay.
red soil is very resistant. Yeah. Then you when at times when they build that house, at times they use it like a kitchen. When the one they use like a kitchen where there's burning fire inside. That one even if you don't roof the house, we have experienced some of those houses that have stayed more than 100 years standing, that have been abandoned. The roof has fallen down. The house is standing.
Sitting there. Oh, very
years,
interesting.
people are still wondering why the house is still standing.
Yes.
It continues standing. It remains there like that.
Yeah.
Even if you want to put it down, you have a lot of.
So that's why I want to introduce to you again what is the lime mortar, which is another breathable, soft. Can be used for the mortar and the plaster is what I'm going to show. And we're going to leave this here for a year or two and see how it holds up to the environment. So thank you very much for telling us about how you built.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay, now we have the mud brick laid in cement mortar, and we did 1/2 of the mock-up with the traditional cement mortar they've been using right on the mud brick. I did a wash around the brick so the water runs off, and we did one corner with cement all the way around. Then there'll be one panel with the lime mixture, lime stucco, and then one corner which will be the lime stucco that'll wrap around as well on its corner, so they'll have even exposure all the way around. And this is the hands of Curtis and Ruth, and this is Curtis and Ruth. Say hi. Wave hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, you have to watch the test sample. Make sure it looks good. When you're 10 more years, you have to give me a report. Okay? Okay? Okay, thank you. Okay, so in Cameroon, you throw the cement stucco on. You throw it, and that's good because it helps for the bonding. And then you smooth it.
Yeah.
This is Johannes. He is the project manager, foreman of the whole job. Good video.